Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road, just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 Kia Sorento LX in the color gray, with a black cloth interior and seating for 7. This 4-door SUV has a 3.5-liter V6 all-wheel drive engine. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive.
Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have your gas tank release located there. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and then you have the controls for the rear wiper, traction control, locking differential, park assist, and hill descent. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your media controls, hands-free dialing, as well as cruise control. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as your trip. And in the center, you have got the time, and you also have your media choices of AM, FM, satellite, Sirius radio, as well as CD. And there's your CD. You've also got Bluetooth and MP3. And the display will be on this screen as well. And below that, you have your AC, hazard lights, rear defrost, and rear AC. There's your fan and climate control with max AC located there. You've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, and just below that you're seeing your auxiliary, iPod, USB, as well as a 12-volt. You've got an automatic shifter as well as a couple of cup holders, and in your armrest you can open it up for more storage. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment. Up above is an auto-dimming rear view mirror. You've got your sunglass holder as well as your lighting controls. And off to the side, the passengers have handles, making it easier to get in.
17-inch wheels, chrome-colored handles with intelligent access, driver's side fuel cap. Your back hatch has a windshield wiper, and on the bumper there's sensors. When you're ready to open up that hatch, you can hold down the button on your key fob, or you can walk up. And just below that Kia badge, there's a handle. Simply put your hand in there and pull up. You'll notice the inside's nice and roomy and also carpeted. The third row folds down on a 50-50 split with 2 tugs of that pulley there. On both right and left hand sides, there are clips and tethers to hold things down, as well as just below there's a storage bin. When you're ready to close up that hatch, there's a handle on the right hand side there. Simply put your hand in there and pull, and it is now securely closed. You can lock it up and walk away, or head out on your latest adventure.
Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in this row with a 60-40 split. You can bring down this seat, and then in the back you have 2 seats with a 50-50 split that also go down to enlarge your cargo area. The armrest has a couple of cup holders, and on the floor, carpeted mats. You've got mesh netting on the back of the seats for extra storage. There's a 12-volt in the center, and up above, hooks, handles, and lighting.
Privacy glass, roof rails and roof racks, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.